Happiness now. Now, I see this way. This is and all of a sudden from up in the sky, a big box came falling and more snow. Then I got closer to look, and a voice screamed out, "Help!" And the box rocked and shook. And out popped a penguin with a GPS smile. She flushed them, nodding a comfort tail to wee like a parrot. Put in your wish, take from his parents, filled with grace. Grandma's iPad. How can I read that and the story?
The people of Snowbelt were totally
Scared. Where did you come here? Where are you from? Were you playing the race? Oh, so that's what? You're so small.
Can you show us a picture of Grandpa and Grandma? Where's the picture of Grandpa and Grandma? It's on the other. Oh, who is it?
Grandpa and Grandma.
Who's that? Oh, yes. Good job. Can you say Merry Christmas, everyone?